Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on your Mac. I'm gonna keep this very short and concise because I don't wanna waste your time, so let's get started. So the great part about Macs is that taking a screenshot is very easy. The main buttons that you're gonna need to know are Apple, Shift, and then hitting either 3, 4, or 5. So if you wanna take a screenshot of your entire screen on your Mac, what you're gonna do is click Apple, which is also known as Command, Shift, and then 3. If you have multiple monitors, hitting this combination of keys is going to take screenshots of all of your monitors at the same time. And then when you take that screenshot, you're gonna see a small preview of it in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. And what you guys can do is actually click on that while it's down there and edit that screenshot. Now, let's say you don't want to take a screenshot of the entire screen, right? You just want to take a screenshot of a portion of it. Well, in this case, you're gonna click Apple, Shift, and then 4. So when you hold those 3 buttons down at the same time, it's going to open up a prompt allowing you to select what part you want to take a screenshot of. When you click on those buttons, you're gonna start seeing this weird arrow looking thing with 2 numbers. And what you'll do is you'll click somewhere and then you'll drag it down, and whatever part is a little bit darker, that is the part that is going to actually get that screenshot taken of. And then for those 2 numbers to the bottom right of the little arrow thing, the top number is going to be the width in pixels of that screenshot, and then the lower number is going to be the height of that screenshot in terms of pixels. So yeah, basically if you guys want to do an exact 2x1 screenshot, then you guys can do something like 1000 by 500. It just makes you a little bit more precise in taking that screenshot. Now, if you have a newer updated Mac from, I believe, 2018 or newer, then you can also use Apple Shift 5, and this is going to allow you to take a screen recording. If you click those 3 buttons at the same time, it's actually going to show you your different screenshot options. So it's going to open up this little taskbar that allows you to select, what you want to record, what part of the screen, etc. And from that, you'll also be able to record a video. So I use this button a lot when I am demonstrating things online, especially for my videos. And yeah, I'll just use Apple Shift 5, and that's going to allow me to quickly create a screen recording video. Now you might be wondering, where do these screenshots actually go? And the great news is that you can actually select where you want your screenshots to be saved to. I like to save them in a folder just called screenshots. That way I can easily access them whenever I want. But of course you guys can save it on your desktop. You can have it automatically saved in your documents, as well as any other folder that you want. So yeah, it's super easy. That's basically how you take screenshots on a Mac, as well as screenshot videos. Just know it's gonna be Apple Shift 3, 4, or 5. Or if you don't have a Mac keyboard, it's gonna be Command Shift 3, 4, or 5. Yeah, super easy. Anyways, hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for more content just like this. This whole channel is dedicated at giving you guys free guides and tutorials. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next video.